Hello, Teacher Peter here. So today I'll cover TPR for your demo lesson in my class. And I'll use examples from the demo lesson itself. So let's look at the first slide of the demo lesson. And you can see in the upper right hand corner it says I vocabulary. And that means introduce vocabulary. On the introduce slides, you want to make sure to say the featured word twice on its own. And make sure the student says the word twice also. So, in the demo lesson you have the word sad. Jason, sad. Sad. Great. And notice what I'm doing here with my hands. This is called TPR, or total physical response. So right now I'm directing the student to listen and speak with my hands. Right now I'm saying, listen to me, I'm talking. And right now I'm saying, it's your turn to speak, I'm listening. So they want to see you instructing the student using your hands. Another good example would be drag and drop. If there's an interactive element on the screen, you could go like this. Jason, drag and drop. Yeah, drag and drop. Oh, good. Or circle if they're supposed to circle the correct answer. So, Jason, you circle the ball. Yeah, circle the ball. Great, nice work. They also want to see you illustrating the vocabulary using your whole body. So if you're teaching the word sad, you should make some motion for sad. Or if you're teaching the sentence, she is sad, you could go like this. She is sad. Together, these two types of TPR are called instructional TPR, showing the student what to do, and educational TPR, illustrating the vocabulary. And they want to see you use both. I always use TPR when explaining the words this, that, these, and those. It's really difficult to convey their meaning, and honestly I don't think I really understood those words before I started teaching for VIPKID. So this is for one thing that's close to you, that is for one thing that's far away, these are for multiple things that are close to you, so I go like this, these, and those are for multiple things that are far away. So TPR is so crucial for teaching these kind of strange little aspects of English. I also use TPR for I, you, he, she, we, they. So yeah, you saw what I did there. For educational TPR, I improvise a lot. A lot of times I will make the first motion that comes to my head, and over time you'll get more and more comfortable making some expression whenever you introduce a vocabulary word. Yeah, my approach is not very scientific, but it works. Also, ideally with TPR, the total physical response, the response is the student doing it also. Now there's no real way to get the student to make the motion also, but the idea is that they're kind of trying to make that connection in their head between the thought word and some sort of expression. So you're kind of tying the word into their memory by associating it with emotion. So you'll just get more comfortable kind of expressing yourself with your hands and your body when you're teaching. And it can be a really fun part of teaching. Yeah, and you might even find yourself talking with your hands a lot more in your day-to-day life, which can be a really fun development. Alright, there is an overview of TPR. And I'm creating these videos to promote myself as a referring teacher. So if you liked this video and you want to apply, use my referral code. And you can reach out to me directly if you have any questions about that process. I'm happy to be a resource for you. So my referral link and my email address are below. Alright, and you can add my code to an existing application if you wish to do so. That information will be below also. Alright, good luck and goodbye.